It was a rainy evening here in Wakiso as Bright Stars Football Club, the champions of the Uganda Premier League, marched in majestically to play against the Bright Stars in the second leg of the semi-finals of the Uganda Cup. It all began very tense as Bright Stars Football Club put up a very good show. Some chances coming through. Nelson Sekatuka denied on very many occasions, not only once but many times. He actually failed to get the back of the net. All in all, Bright Stars Football Club were actually very lucky that they were gifted a goal as Nelson Sekatuka dropped in and slid the ball past the goalkeeper Fabian Mutomora to give Bright Stars Football Club a deserved one-goal lead. It was Hilary Mukundani together with the Torach failing to communicate in there, and Nelson Sekatuka winning the chance of ball one-on-one with the goalkeeper and sliding that ball past the goalkeeper. All in all, you can see from the replay there that the communication was lacking. Hilary Mukundani coming in slightly late, and of course Nelson Sekatuka sliding and putting that ball past the goalkeeper Fabian Mutomora to actually give Bright Stars a deserved lead. It all continued as the Bright Stars kept on piling the pressure. One good football here, rat-a-tat football coming through, and that was one of the chances that could have doubled the lead. Unfortunately, Torach running through the line and squaring that ball away as it was goal bound. Good play yet again from Sam Senyonjo to open up on Nelson Sekatuka. Could have been 2-0, but unfortunately it was a very good piece of play coming in from Rogers Torach to put that ball outside. Super play here from Torach. Just kept his eye on the ball and slid and put that ball out for a corner. Well, the coach expected more from Nelson Sekatuka. It wasn't coming through, and it remained just like that. And